Get out of my way.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need, dog? Dog, I got quality shit right here. What you doing? You tripping. Did someone die in your mouth?
Whatever you say, fool.
Who you think you touching, homeboy? I didn't call in a roadblock.
Bitch, what's that?
What's up, sis?
Hey, I'm an old man.
It's like fish gone bad.
You ever been to the East Coast?
No, I wanna though.
Be safe, bitch. These fools out here are nuts.
Hey, watch.
Oh, you think you whore?
If Leo arrests me one more time.
It's going to a good cause. Me.